Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to find the solution of a pair of linear equation from class 10th. So you know what is the linear equation? It is ax plus by plus c, but we have a pair of linear equation. That means we will have two equations and we need to find the solution. So first we should know what is the solution of the linear equation. Solution means basically this is the point which satisfy both the equations. दोनों इक्वेशन में जो x और y की वैल्यू सेटिस्फाई कर देगी उसी को हम सोल्यूशन बोलते हैं. तो सोल्यूशन निकालने के हमारे पास में 4 मेथड्स हैं. तो चारों मेथड में द फर्स्ट मेथड इज ग्राफिकल सोल्यूशन. सो हियर यू कैन सी ग्राफिकल सोल्यूशन. इन दिस मेथड बोथ लाइंस आर ड्रॉन ऑन द सेम ग्राफ पेपर and their point of intersection is called the solution. So you can see here I have taken two equations, x plus y is equals to 3, equation 1, and 2x minus y is equals to 3, equation 2. So now what we will do, we will just write any three solutions of this equation. So I have done it here. Take y as independent variable and x is to the right side, so 3 minus x. Now put the values of x. So I have kept 0, so 3 minus 0 will be 3. Then I kept 1, so 3 minus 1 will be 2. Then I kept 2, so 3 minus 2 will be 1. So these are the three solutions: 0, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1. This you know how to plot on the graph. You must have learned this in 9th standard. And for the equation 2 also I have done the same thing. Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So put the values of x. I have put the same value so that I should have some common point. So it's but this is not necessary that you should put all the time same values. You can change the values according to the situation, what type of equation is given to you. X is equals to 0, so I got minus 3. X is equals to 1, so 2 1s are 2, minus 1, and x is equals to 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3. So here are the three solutions. You can observe this will be the solution because this is the common point, but we will draw the graph and then we will find what is the solution of this equation. Now we will draw the graph. So first is 0, 3. That means this is axis of x, x dash, and this is axis of y, y dash. Origin is this. So at 0 it is 3. At 0 it is 3. So this point is 0, 3. At 1 it is 2. At 1 it is 2. So this point is 1, 2. And at 2 it is 1. And 2 it is 1. So this point is 2, 1. Now we come to the second. At 0 it is minus 3. At 0 it is minus 3. Minus 3. At 1 it is minus 1. And 0, 3. So you can see one line goes from this way and other goes from this side, and both the lines intersect at this point, which is 2, 0. Hence this 2, 1 is the solution. Therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is the solution of x plus y is equals to 3 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. So like this you can find the solution of any pair of linear equations which is given to you using this graphical method. Hope it is clear. Now let us move to the second method, which is called the substitution method. Let us see what is it. Now we have another method which is known as the substitution method. In this method we find the value of one variable in term of other from one equation, and this value is substituted in other equation and the solution is found out. So here is one example. Solve 2x plus y is equals to 7 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. So in the solution here we have 2x plus y is equals to 7, equation 1, and 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, equation 2. So now from equation 1 you can see y is equals to 7 minus 2x. Y is equals to 2x will come this way. So 7 minus 2x. Now this value y will be substituted in equation 2. That means in the second equation we will put this value which we have calculated just now. अभी value कैसे put करते हैं देखिए. From equation 2, so this is 4x and in place of y I need to this value. So minus 3, then bracket and the value of this y was 7 minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you just multiply. So you get 4x minus 7 3 is 21 plus 3 2 is 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then you have 4x and 6x 10x, and this is 21 and this is plus 1, so minus 20 is equals to 0. Take this 20 to the right hand side, transposing terms, 10x is equals to 20, then x will be 20 upon 10, or x is equals to 2. So this is one value, and other value will be calculated here, and y is equals to this 7 minus 2x, 7 minus 2 into x is 2, so 7 minus 4, therefore y is equals to 3. Hence, so what is the solution? Hence, solution x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. This is your exact solution with the substitution method. Now we have another method, which is elimination method. So what is this? In this method, what we used to do, see, in this method, any one variable made equal by multiplying suitable numbers to either one equation or equations, and when this is equal, then the both equations are either subtracted or added. Subtraction will be done when equal variables have the same sign, and addition will be done when the equal variable have the different sign, and then the solution is found out. So there is one example, we will see this example how to do method. So you can see here in equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equals to 7 and 4x plus 3y is equals to 11. So you can see 3y is already equal, so we need not to multiply anything here. But if you wish to make this x equal, then we can multiply in this complete equation with the 2 to the 4 will be there. But so far it is equal, we need not to multiply anything. So you can see both 3y are of positive sign, so we need to simply subtract. Solution: subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Let us see. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7, equation 1, and 4x plus 3y is equals to 11, equation 2. Now we need to subtract, so this will be minus and this will also be minus. So 2x is of plus and 4x is of minus, so we will have minus 2x, और यहाँ पर ये दोनों बिल्कुल अपोजिट साइंस के तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, and it will be minus 4. So you have here minus 2x is equals to minus 4, then x is equals to minus 4 upon minus 2, and x will be 2. Now after getting this value, what we will do, we can put this value either in equation 1 or equation 2. So putting x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So I have 2 into 2 plus 3y is equals to 7, 4 plus 3y is equals to 7, then 3y is equals to 7 minus 4, or 3y is equals to 3, hence y is equals to 3 upon 3 is equals to 1. Therefore, what is the solution? Hence x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So this will be your answer. Hope this is clear how to do. We will take one more question from this same elimination method, in which we will multiply some numbers. So let us see that example also. Now we have one more example to solve with the method of elimination. In this we have the equation 1, 2x minus y is equals to 5 and 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. So you can see by observing both the equations, here is 3x and here is 2x. So they cannot be made equal. If you want to make them equal, you need to multiply here 3 and here 2. So 6 will be there. Better than we have one more option. Here is 5y and here is 1y. If we multiply simply with 5, we can get the y equal. So multiplying equation 1 by 5. So it will be 2x minus y is equals to 5, and this will be multiplied by 5. So we have 5 to the 10x minus 5y and is equals to 25. This will be equation 1 now, and you have already equation 2, which is this 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, equation 2. Now you can see 5y is equal in both the equation, and these are with the same sign, so they should also be subtracted. Subtracting, you can write subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we will have 10x minus 5y is equals to 25, equation 1, and 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, equation 2, and you need to subtract, so the sign will get changed, and this 5y will get cancelled, and 10 minus 3 will be 7x is equals to 25 plus 4. This will be minus, so 25 minus 4 will be 21, hence y is equals to 21 upon 7, therefore y is equals to 3 will be answer now. Substituting value of y in equation 1, this one, so it will be 2x minus y is 3 is equals to 5, 2x is equals to 5 plus 3, 2x is equals to 8, then x will be 8 upon 2 and x will come 4. So x solution is, therefore x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3 is the solution. So this is your answer. Hope the method of elimination is quite clear and you can do the questions. Now we have last but not the least, cross multiplication. Let us see what is it. So now we have the cross multiplication method. How to solve the question with this method? Let me tell you. Suppose you are given a pair of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form which we have discussed earlier in 9th class also. So now what we need to do, first we write this variable x, then y, and then this, for in place of this we write 1 only. Now what we do, we write coefficient, we will start from this b1 b2, then c1 c2, then a1 a2, and then b1 b2. So we just go in order, first b1 b2, then c1 c2 here, and after c a will come, so a1 a2, and after a b will come, so b1 b2. This is the method. And now we start multiplying cross b1 c2 minus, so I have broken arrow, that is for the minus, b2 c1 by upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and then this whole will be taken with this one and this whole will be taken with this, so we can get the values of x and y. Now let us see how this is done in the question. Now we will solve this system of equation with the help of cross multiplication, which we have discussed just now, the procedure, how to solve the question. So this is the equation 1, 2x minus y minus 3 is equals to 0, and this is equation 2, 4x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now you remember how to do. So first what we'll do, we write x, then y, and then 1, I told you. And then after leaving this, we start writing from this, but there is 1, you can just put it here, and 1 is also there. So this is minus 1 and this is 1. Then this, after b1, b2, c1, c2. So this is minus 3 and this is also minus 3. Then b1, b2, c1, c2, then a1, a2. This 2 and 4, and then again b1, b2. So this is minus 1 and 1. Now the next step is, you remember the thing, x, this multiplication. So minus 1 minus 3, it will be 3, and minus 3 is equals to y. Again we do the same thing here, and this is for subtraction. So 3 4s are 12, minus 12, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 6, okay, 36 is equals to 1 upon, now let us see, 2 1s are 2, minus minus 4. So after then we have what? Let us write it here. So we have x is equal to x upon 3 plus 3 is y upon 12 plus 6 minus 12 plus 6 and is equals to 1 upon plus 4 plus 2 6. So I have x upon 6 is equals to y upon minus 6 is equals to 1 upon 6. Now we will take this with this. Now x upon 6 is equals to 1 upon 6. That means these two terms extreme. So x is equals to 1 because this 6 will cancel, and y upon minus 6 is equals to 1 upon 6. Therefore y is equals to minus 1. So these are your answers. Solution. What is solution? X is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1. So this is the method of cross multiplication. You need to remember the thing how to just find those coefficients. Here we are writing coefficient with the sign. So if plus is there, we write plus. If minus is there, we write the minus with the sign, as we have written minus 3 in both the places. Hope this is clear. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will discuss few questions from an NCERT book. And if you find this video useful, then please press like and subscribe my channel. Until then, see you. Take care, everyone.